Okay, so I have been preparing a lot for this dog. Today I got some books. This is a very highly rated book on Amazon with training dogs. There's over 1,000 reviews on it, and it's more like a 5-star rating, almost all 5 stars. So it's a very highly sought after book. It's really good. The author made a book specifically for puppies, so I got that in addition. There's just a certain format. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, things like she demonstrates visual cues, audible cues, just a lot of drawings. It's a very visual book that breaks everything out. Very simple, and goes over some of the problems you might run into and what to do when you run into those problems. So those it seems like so far it's a really good book from what I'm reading. All right, so one of the other things, this was the first thing I got, was a clicker. And the main reason is dogs are, there's a distinct sound that thing makes. It's always the same every single time. Whereas when I speak, dogs can be very difficult to pick up on individual words at first. Because there are so many different things I say, then it's got to learn, oh, this one thing. Nope, clicker, very simple, very distinct. But then he'll learn from me. Got some things for him to chew on. What is this, rawhide twist, and then like a bully stick in the shape of a pretzel. Got some various collars. I don't know what size his neck is, and I accidentally bought 2 of these because I didn't realize I had already bought one. I got some doggy bags. I have a harness, a leash, a chew toy that can also double as a pull toy and is very durable. This thing seems rock solid that a large dog could probably have a tough time trying to rip up, but we'll find out. I got some very, very small balls to play with him. I got some Kong toys for him to train with with the crate that I have. I have a toy box to put all of his toys in. Some Plush toys. I got various brushes. I have a slicker brush, a flea brush, a grooming comb, and even toothbrushes for very sensitive, thin-haired areas, like around his eyes, if I needed to brush that or not. I have a lint roller. I have many chew toys, mainly for like the teeth. Like this has all kinds of bumps on it, and it's really soft for the puppy to chew on. And then, I got a lot of these throw rugs around the house, mainly because I had a dog here that had a tough time with the slick floors, but the rugs, he'd always stick to the rugs, and pretty much it gave him traction. I'm not sure if maybe he was just old or that that actually is a problem. There's another rug I got for the kitchen. Here's the crate with a rubber liner and a bedding for the crate. So those all go together. And then I have this cover for the crate to make it more of a den-like area for him to hide or sleep or just rest in, or like that's his safe area to go to when he doesn't want to be around people, if that's the case. I don't know. Then there's an X-Pen to give him like a small area to start out with that he can recognize as his own. And then I'll just probably get a baby gate and block off this so he starts to understand the whole kitchen is his own. And then later on I can have his home area just grow until he realizes the whole house is his. I got a doggy bed just to put in one of the other rooms. I got some puppy training pads just to have in an area. Mainly you're supposed to put these as far away from the crate as possible to kind of train him not to go to the bathroom in his crate. But mainly the door is right there to the outside, so I'm going to just take him out as often as possible to see if I can get him to recognize that he's supposed to wait for me to go take him outside. And hopefully he can start eventually to control his bladder if he knows I'm going to come around and take him out. Let's see, I got some a food in a water dish. I still need to buy dog food in a container, airtight container. I'm waiting for it to be closer to the time to pick him up at the airport before I go ahead and buy food. And I have to talk to that breeder again to find out what the specific brand was that he had. Yeah, that's about it. That's all the news.